how to start a new account in Raid Shadow Legends. So what you're gonna have to do is just go ahead to the top left corner, which is basically your profile, or the settings in general. Over here, what you're gonna have to do is just go to your Plarium ID and just go ahead and press on switch account. So this is basically how you create or start a new character. So press on switch account. You could either log in with your Plarium ID, a new one, or you can log in with any Facebook account you have that doesn't already have progress in it. So once you go ahead and choose whichever, it should go ahead and switch to a different account or a different email and will basically start you a new account. You also have the option to clear all data on your Raid Shadow Legends or just reinstall the game. That way you can basically start a new progress and just link whatever account you want. But those are a few ways you can put in mind if you want to start a new account in Raid Shadow Legends. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.